Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I am going to do in today's video, I am going to promote ClickBank offers for free. In this video, zero traffic and of course without a YouTube channel or a website. It's basically ClickBank for beginners. Following these very simple methods, we can make up to $60 a day online. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification right now, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, and how to start a business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to remove ClickBank offers for free with nothing, no blog, no website, no traffic, nothing at all. It's a very simple way to make money with ClickBank. So the first thing that you need to start making money on ClickBank, the first thing you need to do is to make an account on ClickBank. You need to register an account with ClickBank. It's very simple and easy to do it. So now there is one rule that you need to know if you want to get sales through ClickBank. But first we need to know how ClickBank works. ClickBank is a marketplace for affiliate and e-commerce platform. ClickBank is one of the largest sites in the world. Different offers to promote and profits to earn. Very easy and very simple to do. Now what is the rule that you need to know? The rule is right audience. You need to get your affiliate offer to the right audience. I will explain everything to you right now, so make sure you watch the whole video till the end. I will show you exactly what you need to do and make at least $60 a day. So now what you need to do, first you need to go onto ClickBank. Here as you can see, this is ClickBank site, and here you need to register. It doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. I have done it many times. I will definitely see a huge influx of sales after you hit the right audience, but at the beginning it will not be easy at all, but you have to be patient. Now you need to get onto ClickBank, and if you scroll down here you can see so many different niches that you can go on here to promote. Here on the left hand side, now what I will show you in today's video, I will pick one niche, one specific niche to start with. I will show you exactly how to do that, but you can do this in any niche that you want, and that's how you will make money on ClickBank and start earning money online. It's easy and simple. Now we'll start off with health and fitness. Health and fitness is amazing, so we will try it. Now what we need to do, you need to click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see there are so many different things here. So what you need to do, you need to click onto gravity. Once you do that, it will bring up the top rating promotion at that moment. It's not necessarily the best converting or the best selling, but people are finding this offer attractive for some reason. In the next video I will show you what is the product that we will pick and what we do next. That's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.